Got this Samsung. This is the S24 Ultra, and I want to get it a case for it, so I went with this QT Eiler for a couple of reasons. That's nice, they give you a thank you here. When we open up the case, it comes in a nice package, so you know it's not going to be damaged. This is sort of a translucent gray. I wanted to be able to see the cool titanium orange of my case. Wanted to make sure I had cutouts for the USB and the stylus that's on this phone. We also want to make sure we have a kickstand and still be able to use the magnetic for the car holders and things like that. Of course, we want to protect the cameras and the screen. So we've got those cutouts. Very easy access to the stylus here with no problems. We can kick up this kickstand. It's a metal kickstand. There's magnets in here, and this kickstand twirls, so you can use it in any orientation. I also like the ring attached to the case because when I hold it, the phone out over something or something like that, I don't want to risk losing the phone. There's a 3mm rise here above the cameras, so when you set it down this way, the cameras are covered, and then there's a 1.5mm this way. So I usually set it down this way, so you can still see the color. It's got all these features. Got a nice silicone around all the edges. It fits nice and securely. Really looking forward to using this case from QT Eiler. And thank them for sending us this one to check out. I hope this helps.